Austin Jesus. Na me be the zonal PRO in charge of Edo, Delta, and Bayelsa for the task force. We don waka far small, but e never still reach as we want, and e never reach as dem send us make we waka reach. Because these things they deal with information. So the much information we dey get, we have been working on it. So we don still waka small, we don waka far. And so far, we don try stop all those people wey dey bring all those bad products. And as I dey talk to you, so we dey get war with some set of people wey no wan stop these things, and we dey fight them. We dey fight them well well. And because dem see say we don dey on ground based on the message wey dem send us from our national body, and even federal government get am for inside say abeg make una still join us dey do this thing. Dem don see am say we ready to redo the work. Dem don dey get problem with us. And as far as na the right thing we dey do, we no go relent. We continue to work. First of all, when they do that thing wey dem do, we no shake, we no worry ourselves, because we know say na the right thing we dey do. But now we wan really tell the world, especially our government, we wan tell them say these people wey dey protest na because of the bad thing wey dem dey do. When they see say we no cooperate with them, na they wan go blackmail us. And as e dey go so, we go let the world dey know say see wetin dem dey do when we say make una no do again. That's why they are protesting all about. They no get any basis for that thing wey dem dey do. But I want to believe say very soon they go stop, because this one wey petroleum product no dey come Benin wey suppose be the central base wey dey distribute everything to other states, we no come dey get. And na the hard work of some of these people. We know them, they know us. So as they say they no wan stop, and they come say dem dey protest, and make we drag ourselves come out na, make we tell government, make we tell the whole world. So na im just be the thing. We no get anything against them. They have to stop that thing wey they do wey no good. Because if dem dey pump petroleum product come here, if dem stop to dey break pipeline, if dem stop dey bring all those yamayama product wey person go just go put fire for drum dey cook by himself, wey dey destroy our equipment, dey destroy everything, if dem stop am, okay, we no get problem with anybody. So that's the reason why we are out. And we have some recently wey we just see arrest, wey dey do all those yamayama thing wey dey do. E dey with police now. And as I speak with you, Inspector General graciously don give us police wey dey join us dey do the operation. No be say we just wake up, just go dey arrest people. Police dey join us. Even the civil defense, dem dey work with us. SSS know us. From Abuja come reach the end. And another thing I wan correct, no be only Edo we dey work. My coordinator is in charge of Edo, Delta, and Bayelsa State. Na zonal job na e be. So the AIG know us. He don give us police based on the instruction of the Inspector General of Police. So all of them, they work with us in synergy. So not be only we, because all these people they do this bad thing, they get power where without police or security agency will not fit. So we are all working in synergy. The person wey dey in charge of Midwestern Zone, our oga wey dey lead us, but it's a pity as I dey talk to you now, e no dey Benin, e dey Bayelsa now. Na im name na Ambassador Julius Irediadu. Na him dem give power make e take dey handle this matter for Edo, Delta, and Bayelsa. And the side wey we come dey fear pass well na all those places where all those Ijaw boys dey for Bayelsa. No, we no dey get wahala from that side. He has been able to work with those people there, and everybody dey ready to allow the thing go, because dem too see dey feel the impact. But na the problem now na some bodies wey dey this side, because dem think say dem know am, because dem think say dem fit just go meet am say no do this thing again, go tutu, but dem come discover say this man no ready. Na as dem send am na him dey do the work. And the way e dey go so, if dem no gree rest for this matter, all these bodies, we go start to dey measure their name, we go start to dey measure the people wey dey aid them. We know them, dem know say we know them. They have to stop now, otherwise we go dey tell the world who these bodies be, who dey lead them. Na so we say government go come hear us, whether wetin dem dey do so good or e no good. They dey happy say dem set up this kind body, so that dem wey be the end users when be the consumer of this product wey we dey protest so na dem na go gain am pass at the end. So that if you waka go filling station, you wan go buy diesel, you wan go buy fuel, kerosene, you go know say the thing wey you dey buy, wey dey use that money wey you suffer for take buy, na the original. No be the one wey you don buy reach out, you come explode. You dey hear dem say kerosene explosion. All these things no be the one wey refinery to do. So the public dey suppose dey happy say this kind body, IPMAN National Task Force don come to help them make sure say if you buy one product from filling station, na better thing you buy. You no fear say your generator go break down. You no fear say your engine go break down because of wetin you use your money still go buy. So we are seriously working for them. So make them dey happy, and with time dem dey see the result well. Na that one I fit tell them for now. And the another thing I will still beg them, make dem still dey help us with information, because we no be spirits. Na if we hear say this kind thing dey happen for this side, gree, we no dey even sleep. 24 hours we are ready. But I beg them for information, and I still assure them say with very little time, they happy they go filling station, go buy product, they still dey happy they go house. Na so I will tell them now.